So if you run a cleaning business, these are some AI automation marketing tools that you will need in your tech stack that have been proven. And we're developing so many. So if you want to learn, we've helped over 30 cleaning businesses with their back-end systems, AI automations, and also lead generation. And this is one of our clients that just posted in the month of July how much we spent. So we spent over $3,700 in ads for Google, $1,100 for Facebook, and it comes out to almost $4,800 in ad spend. Now they closed 6,800 bucks. We did $3,700 in Google Ads, but we closed. This is initials and deep cleans. So it's like initial cleans and deep cleans. So there's a difference between that and recurring cleans. Okay, these are brand new clients that came from Google within the month. Now it looks like we just broke even. Okay, around 3,700, we broke even with ad spend. But this number, we have an additional 8 cleans. Now, if you charge and this is 8 recurring cleans, if you charge at least $100, that's an additional $800 in recurring cleans. Now, it depends, right? How big the home is. So it can go anywhere from like as low as 100 to almost 250, 259 per clean. So just imagine this is an additional 800 to 1,600 bucks in recurring cleans. Next month, it's going to be profit. Okay, it's profit, meaning this is why I like working with cleaning businesses. So if you actually look all together, they actually did $6,800 without the recurring cleans, 6,800 bucks. And look at this last one, existing customer cadence change, meaning that it was an existing customer in the pipeline, and then they close an additional $1,300 from email marketing, backends, nurture sequence, from efforts and marketing from the past months. So what a lot of people don't understand is that it builds when you're running ads. If they don't convert right away, or if they do, they get an initial clean a couple months later, and then 1 month, boom, it bumps it up. So we initially closed 6,800 bucks from Facebook, Google, third party, and then also back-end sales. So $6,800 in new cleans plus an additional 8 cleans. Anyways, I really wanted to just hit home that this is additional. Okay, this client, they have over 200 monthly recurring cleans. And let me just show you guys, just so you guys can see, this is the back end of Google. And I'm refreshing it for you guys so you guys can just see this is the back end of Google Ads. And again, we spent exactly that amount for the month of July. 74 conversions, $50 cost per conversion, 10% conversion rate, 3.7K in cost. Okay, so this is the exact client that we've worked with. Bigger, mid-sized client, right? But bigger ad spend budget for Google in 1 month. This is 1 month worth on Google. So just to show you guys what that looks like, and I want people to understand that, and they always ask me, they're like, what are the best ways to get clients on for a cleaning business? Is it on Google? Is it on Facebook? This is what it looks like. So you'll see Google LSAs here. So I type in best cleaning company near me, Tampa, Florida. So this is an example. You have the LSA, local service ads. You have the next section, which is Google service, or I mean Google search ads, which is the sponsored post. Then you'll see AI overview, right? Recommend based on their SEO. And this is kind of how AI overview pulls from different places. Then you have the map pack, the top 3. You want to be the top 3 in the map pack. Now, this is, again, essentially where Google Ads is Google search. So whenever I type in best cleaning company near me in this area, these are the ones that pop up, the Real Maids and then Thumbtack. But this is what Google Ads is. This is exactly what I've showed you guys as far as what we do as far as a Google Ads search agency to get leads to convert for cleaning businesses. Now, they need to understand that it's not just the ad, it's what we build on the back end. What is the funnel, right? The landing page, the middle of the funnel, the nurture sequences, the emails, the follow-ups. It's a whole system. If you guys want to learn Google Ads and what I do, I have a whole playlist, and I'll link that below on how to get started if you want to just get started step by step with Google Ads. So this is what it looks like, and then the cleaning business gets a notification. I'm really, really big when it comes to the pillars for every business, okay? This is universal for every business. Do you have an acquisition pillar? Do you have a nurturing system pillar? Do you have a fulfillment mechanism? Do you have something that helps you scale your company? Acquisition is the pillar that generates leads consistently. The nurturing system is automations that build relationships, nurtures. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys what that AI tech stack tools look like. Fulfillment mechanism is like delivers also clients without constant input. Do we have something that is constantly helping our fulfillment and scaling it and growing it without, again, constant input? It's like we build a system and then it compounds. And then do we have a pillar that teaches us how to scale? Do you have have you built a results-based improvement system? Great pillars to really meditate on and look at your business and see how you can improve and reiterate is what we call it. Now, I have a lot of great testimonies from clients we've worked with in the first month, right? Different ones, people that have literally this one, they spent, what is this? $293 in 5 days, and they closed $2,100. I mean, this is stuff that is unheard of in several industries. Now, everyone's stuff varies. These are actual client accounts in different cities, so they all vary. And I want to show you guys what those 3 AI tools that I currently use as far as an AI stack that I truly recommend to make all this happen. So we have Go High Level, and I have great teachings on like our Go High Level snapshot, what that looks like on the back end, which is your CRM and nurture capture. It's a lead and client tracker with SMS and email automations to organize and structure. There's an AI booking bot, which is a bot that books leads into a calendar on autopilot. And then we have a advertising tracker. So we use CloseBot for the AI booking bot. And then this advertising tracker to scale, we use Hyros, which is a sophisticated AI tracking system to pretty much scale the paid ads. Okay. So this is what the 3 AI text tools that we use. This is what I call the tech stack of software. And this is what's allowing us to get the results that you guys see so that we could be able to grow, expand, and scale these companies to whatever the capacity is that the founder and the owner, the business owner, is willing to invest right back in, and again, being able to build their biz. So these are the 3 tech stack tools, and hopefully this makes sense. I have several videos explaining this even in depth and in more based on each piece. So if you guys want more like a full-on guide, I'll drop those below. You guys can check out that. I have a lot of resources. Thanks so much for watching till the very end. We help cleaning businesses grow and scale, leveraging different tech stack tools, lead generation systems. We're always innovating and just wanting to do better. So hopefully you guys learned. Again, I have so much great information on this channel. I'll drop some playlists below, some videos below that I believe if you're more into wanting to learn what this actually looks like in depth, then go check that out. If you're a cleaning business, I'll put an application down below, a link to that. You guys can tap in. If you guys do qualify, we'll take the call. It's just a quick intro call to see if we're a good fit. But maybe you're an agency. Maybe you want to learn this yourself. Maybe you want to help other local service businesses, but leverage the tools and what I actually do in setting up the offer. I have a community that you guys can tap into below as well. So check those links out depending on where you're at. I look forward to serving y'all, and hopefully I'll see you in another video. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.